Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna tell you about a wonderful robot vacuum cleaner Shark that I bought around a year ago. It is very easy to use. There is a display on top of its station that shows the battery level and a button to empty the dust bin it collects while cleaning the house. The container opens easily, and over here you can see the level of dust. The robot vacuum cleaner has two buttons, Clean and Duck. It also comes with two brushes that effectively sweep up all the dirt and crumbs from the floor and carpet. It's very useful and easy to operate. Even children can manage it. It's an incredible helper at home. I highly recommend it.